Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate an Xbox gift card on your console step by step, quickly and easily. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then navigate to the Store tab. Step 3. In the Store menu, scroll down and select Use a Code. This is where you can redeem your Xbox gift card. Step 4. Take your Xbox gift card and locate the 25-character code on the back of the card. Scratch off the silver strip if it's a physical card to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 5. Enter the 25-character code exactly as shown on the screen using your controller, then select Next. Step 6. Xbox will verify the code, and once accepted, the gift card balance will be added to your Microsoft account. You can use this balance to buy games, subscriptions, or other content from the Microsoft Store. Step 7. After redemption, you can check your updated balance under your account settings to see the available funds. Your Xbox gift card is now ready for use. That's all for this guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step tutorials.